In this video, I will show you how you can activate your Globe Prepaid eSIM. So first of all, you need to make sure to purchase your eSIM from Globe website or onto their application, and you will going to receive a QR code once you have completed the purchasing process of your eSIM plan. And once you have received that particular QR code, you need to scan it by opening up your mobile device settings and then head over to cellular or mobile data and then simply click on the setup mobile or setup cellular. Once you click there, this is going to open up a new page where, as you can see, we have the option use QR code. So simply click on it and then you just need to scan the QR code that you have received from your Globe Prepaid eSIM. So simply scan it and now you need to simply activate your eSIM. So click on continue on the bottom and then wait for few seconds in order for the eSIM to be activated completely. Now you need to simply enter the cellular plan labels by clicking on secondary and choosing any one of these or adding your own custom label and then tap continue on the bottom again. And now you just need to choose your default line. In this case it is going to be primary, so simply select it and then tap continue again. Same goes for the iMessages and FaceTime. Select primary and then tap continue. As for the cellular data, make sure to select secondary and then tap on this allow cellular data switching. Make sure that it is toggle off and then tap continue again. And your eSIM will going to be added just like so. So you can simply click on it and then you just need to make sure that data roaming is toggle on. So that's the way of how you can activate your Globe Prepaid eSIM.